today. They are local guys, experts. They know everything about these areas. We have with us Pamela, and Agnes. They will take care of us. So when we split now, we do a wine group with one of them. I will tell you which one is the name, and the pecorino cheese group with the other guide. And now you need the radios and the headsets. So whenever you hop off, don't forget them. Put them on. You have on top of the radios this bluish colored button. If you push that one for a couple of seconds, it turns on. And instead, in front of the radio, you have the channels and the volume. Now you should already be all on the same channel, but one of the groups will change the channel. The guide will tell you which channel to go to. Super easy, so you don't hear each other's guide, because or else if you're all on the same channel, then you hear two guides speaking. So we will do that now together with the guides. So put them on. And don't forget the important things like phones, wallets, if you need a hat, sunglasses, whatever, water. And then we'll start the guided tour, which is about 1 hour. At the end of the tour, everybody we meet, okay? We gather. You will see me, because we're in two groups now, so we will not all be together. At the end of the guided tour, we all meet, and I will give you a little free time. And then we will go together to the parking area again and take our big bus. So for now, bring what you need only for the visit in Montepulciano. Everything else that you don't want to carry, you can leave it on board. Obviously, if you start the guided tour, everybody, it's extremely important to follow the guides, because we're in a new town here. So if you lose the group, then it's very difficult to find back. Also because we will not come back here. We will end the tour on the opposite side of the town, so you don't know the parking area. So it's extremely important to follow the guides. Ok? Andiamo!